Would you like to protect your motorcycle's paintwork as well as its future resale value? Well, now you can with SBF Paint Protect. Your motorcycle's paintwork is constantly under assault from a wide range of man-made and natural pollutants, all attacking your new bike's flawless finish, resulting in that dull, faded look. That's why your motorcycle needs powerful, extra protection if you want to retain that showroom-like appearance. The SBF Paint Protection System with nanotechnology forms a highly resilient, smooth, transparent coating that protects your bike's paintwork from attack from harmful pollutants and leaves a high-gloss showroom finish wash after wash. With SBF Paint Protect, you may never need to polish your bike again. Included with SBF Paint Protect is a helmet and visor cleaner, as well as visor anti-mist, always ensuring maximum visibility. So, protect your new motorcycle and its future resale value with SBF Paint Protect and benefit from a 3-year guarantee.